Hey guys, what's up? It's Rob here. Happy Friday. Happy week. Time to go into the weekend. Time to take a little bit of a breather away from the stock market. But today I was just going to quickly cover Tesla on the daily, weekly, monthly time frame in anticipation for Monday's trading day. I also want to highlight a news catalyst that came out today that I think will hopefully help Tesla, because right now Tesla seems to just be very uncomfortable in any time frame, really. So the huge thing that I'm looking for is something just to give us support. We do have that 660 technical support, but I really hope we don't touch 660, because then if we break through 660, then we're going to be quickly seeing the 500s real quick, because it seems like between 660 and 600, it's a very quick swing for Tesla. But if you guys can do me a quick favor and hit that like button, give it a little tickle, pokey, give it a little woo, or whatever you need to do to make it turn blue. And then give that subscribe button a little tickle too, and make sure that you give that bell a nice hug by turning on all notifications. And I greatly appreciate that. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully I can get there as quickly as possible. And by you guys clicking that like button, clicking that subscribe button, it greatly helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it. So anyways, enough of that. But what I want to do is I want to talk about an article today that came out, and it basically is talking about Tesla has its best China sales ever, while Elon Musk congratulated the rival in China. If you don't know who that rival is, it is NIO. Some people could say it's Xpeng over there. There's several things going on, but the huge thing was Tesla had the best month that it has ever had in China this month. And then today, well, that's all of the news catalysts that I pulled up. We had a chart that looked like this. And I don't know what to say. I can pull up the SPY over here and we can take a look at the SPY. The SPY did perfectly fine. Yeah, SPY was up. The Dow Jones was up. Let's see, was QQQ up? Because that's all the tech. Yep, tech was up today. So I don't even, at this point, I don't even know what is going on with Tesla. Like, I can't say for certain, but all that I can really say is our technical support right now is sitting at 660, and we were definitely headed that way right during pretty much the middle part of the day towards lunchtime, and we touched 669 and then we bounced off of it. But we're not having this upward momentum, and Tesla is really struggling to just find its footing. And from a technical analysis perspective and from a fundamental standpoint, Tesla should be getting back up on its feet, and with all the positive news catalysts, it should be moving higher, but for some reason it's not. I mean, the only thing that I could think of is if we hop over here to Fintel and take a look, maybe the short volume on it's a lot higher. We can hop over here. I mean, the short volume is 26%. The shares to borrow is 10 million. The short borrow fee is 0.25%. So there's not that heavy interest. I mean, you do have almost 26% today, 24% yesterday, 21, 20. So, I mean, the shorts aren't really hitting Tesla all that hard either. So what's going on here? Are people just uncomfortable with tech, or is it because the suits are currently in recovery and they need to shift on over? I don't know. But what I really don't like is the fact that yesterday we were up above the 681 channel, and then during the pre-market we broke down into it, and then we broke down really our support here at 675, which was just not good. We did bounce off of it and reclaim it as support. Then we retested, reclaimed it, and then we broke down through it. And really, this is a downward channel, and it's not looking good. If we zoom out here to the 5-day, 5-minute, like, I don't know. I can't say why this stock isn't moving in an upwards direction. It's got every reason to. Besides the fact that maybe the market correction still isn't over, but I mean, at some point we have to make a move, and I figured beating deliveries it gapped us up and has sent us all the way up. But I mean, if we look at where we did that, I mean, we're pretty much headed back in the same direction. We're at like a $20 price difference between when we got that positive news catalyst and then now. It's just like, I don't understand. But let's take a look at the fundamentals of this. The huge thing that I'm going to be watching for going in the Monday is really the 668. Really, the 668 area is honestly where I'm going to be looking to see if we are going to be testing this support again, or if we're just going to be using as support and hopefully reclaiming 681 as a support and not having it as a resistance anymore, which would be a positive thing. What the stock really needs to do, and this is what Tesla is kind of known for, is once it gets above $700 or really $750, it can just start ripping upwards real quickly. So I think that's really the territory that we need to start getting into, is that 700, 750 area, because right now the stock just looks incredibly uncomfortable, and maybe people are swing trading it during the day because Tesla does have very large swings within the day. So maybe we can contribute that, but I can't say for certain. But taking a look here at the 5-day, 5-minute, looking at the RSI, we're sitting here at 51, which is just slightly above neutral. We're technically about to enter bearish territory according to the MACD, because we had the MACD crossing over the signal, and we're sitting just above the equilibrium. But it looks like if we continue this pattern, I mean, it's still only 7 o'clock. If we continue this pattern, then we're going to be headed into bearish territory and crossing over that equilibrium. If we hop out here to the 1 month 30-minute and take a look at the chart, you can see exactly where we got that positive news catalyst. It sent us up, and then we've kind of just been bouncing our way down, and we've had positive days, but really it seems like the stock just is not comfortable in the current territory that it's at. And the huge thing is, I don't want us to give up all the gains off of that positive news catalyst, because if we do that, then I could honestly see us retesting 591 or retesting the lower 650s or something like that. Now, if that does happen, your boy here is going to be loading the boat on some Tesla, because I love Tesla. It's 30% of my portfolio right now. And personally, I almost want to make it 50% of my portfolio. So that's how much of a Tesla bull I am. But if we... Whoa. Spicy lightning, spicy weather today. That one got me. All right. So the RSI is sitting here at 47. If you do take a look at the MACD here on the 1 month 30, the 1 month 30-minute, we technically are, according to the MACD, in bullish territory, because we had the MACD crossing over the signal, which is a good sign. So from a macro perspective, we are definitely on the bullish side, versus the micro perspective appears to be very bearish. So personally, I'm going to side with the macro perspective, because it has a better influence on the stock, and and the indicators aren't nearly as sensitive to the price movement. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. And the huge thing on Monday that I want us to do, and this is what I really want to see happen, is see us test 675, bounce off of 675, test 681, break it, hold it as support, and then start trying to push 700. Because once we get above 700 and get in that 700, 750-ish area, I think the stock will really start to move. But that's what I got for you guys today. If you can, do me a favor and smash that like button, give it a little tickle or whatever you want to do to make sure that it just turns blue. Make sure that subscribe button also is gray, and then give that bell a nice hug by turning on all the notifications. Also, if you're curious, this platform is called Webull. I do have my referral link down below. I do get a free stock when you sign up for Webull, but you get 2 free stocks valued anywhere between $10 and $1,600. And there's apparently free shares of Tesla now in the pool, so you could possibly get a Tesla share, which would be pretty awesome in my opinion. But that's what I got for you guys today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.